My name is Farhan. For a long time, I believed that everything I did had to be perfect. If I made mistakes, I felt embarrassed. If I spoke English incorrectly, I stopped speaking. If my work was not perfect, I delayed finishing it. Because of this habit, I often avoided trying new things. I told myself, I will start when I am ready. I will speak when I am perfect. I will try when I feel confident. But the problem was clear. I never felt ready. I never felt perfect. So I stayed stuck. One day, my teacher asked me to read a paragraph in English. I knew I might make mistakes. My heart started beating fast. When I began reading, I mispronounced a few words. Some students looked at me. I felt nervous. I stopped reading. After class, my teacher called me. He asked calmly, "Why did you stop reading?" I replied, "I made mistakes." He smiled gently. Then he said something important. Mistakes are part of learning. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. He picked up a blank paper and drew a rough circle. It was not perfect. He asked, "Is this circle perfect?" I shook my head. He smiled and said, "But I started drawing." Perfection comes after practice. Those words stayed in my mind. That evening, I thought deeply. I realized something simple. I was afraid of imperfection, but imperfection is natural. The next day, I decided to try again. I spoke English with a friend. I made mistakes, but I continued. The next day, I practiced reading aloud. Again, I made mistakes, but I improved. Days passed, weeks passed. Slowly, my confidence grew. I noticed something surprising. The more mistakes I made, the more I learned. Because mistakes showed me where I needed improvement. Now I understand something clearly. Perfection is not the starting point. It is the result of consistent practice. If you accept imperfection, you give yourself permission to grow. Today, I still make mistakes, but I no longer fear them, because every mistake brings me closer to improvement. Final thought. Do not wait to be perfect. Start with imperfection. Learn from mistakes. Improve step by step. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep practicing daily. And always remember, imperfection is the beginning of progress.